Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for lines or destinations in the SmarTrip application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Trip Tools button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the Search for Lines, Station or Destination button, and here you can search for different metro lines, and if you found one, for example this M4, then you will be able to see where it stops, and the whole line you can follow the whole line. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.